Hello dear students, we are going to start from where we have left in part 2. So let's start. In the second part, we have read about the balcony which was attached to the next apartment and which was falling exactly under the window of Osibel's room. So Osibel was saying, somebody did last month. It means last month also somebody came into my room from this balcony. The management promised to block it off. Management has promised to block this balcony but they haven't. उन्होंने अभी तक इसको ब्लॉक नहीं किया है. मैक्स glanced at फॉलर. ग्लांस मीन्स ग्लेयर, उसे घूर कर देख रहा है मैक्स फॉलर को, who was standing stiffly not far from Osibel. Osibel and Fowler was standing nearby and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. Max was waving means moving the gun in the air and commanding Osibel. Osibel was sitting but Fowler was standing, so he was saying to Fowler to sit down, please sit down, we have a wait of half an hour. I think it means he was commanding him to wait for half an hour. 31 minutes, Osibel said moodily, means he was showing his mood. The appointment was for 12:30. It means he was showing that he had an appointment at 12:30. I wish I knew how you learn about the report, Max. He was saying that how you know about the report. The little spy smiled heavily. Heavily means badly. And we wish we knew how your people got the report. But no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. What is that? Who is at the door? It means they were talking to each other. At that time, Max was listening. Max listened some kind of knocking at the door. Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Fowler was also jumping at the same time when he heard the knocking at the door. Osibel just smiled. And that will be the police, he said. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. It means he had asked the police to protect himself, to protect the important paper. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. Osibel has told them to check on me, to check on Osibel, to make sure everything was all right. Max bit his lip nervously. It means Max was getting nervous. The knocking was repeated. Again and again they heard knocking at the door. What will you do now, Max? Osibel asked. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. Osibel was saying, if I do not open the door, police will enter in the room. The door is unlocked and they will not hesitate to shoot. It means they also know about the importance of the paper, so they will shoot you. Max faced and black with anger. Max's face was black with anger as he backed stiffly toward the window. He was going to the window and he swung a leg over the sill. Sill means the lining of the window, and sent them away. He warned, I will wait on the balcony. Send them away and I'll shoot and take my chances. अब मैक्स जो है वो वार्निंग दे रहा है कि उनको भगा दो यहाँ से, मैं बालकनी में वेट कर रहा हूँ, और या फिर मैं तुम्हें शूट कर दूँगा और अपना मैं चांस ले लूँगा. The knocking at the door became louder and a voice was raised. Mr. Osibel, Mr. Osibel. Then what happened? keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest, and the man was moving towards the window, grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. It means he has put his one hand on the window wall and one leg is out of the window. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. It means one leg was over the window sill and the next other leg was out of the window. The door knob turned. Swiftly Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped to the balcony. It means he jumped to the balcony, and then as he dropped he screamed once shrilly. It means जोर से चिल्लाया. The door opened and waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle and two glasses. It means there was no police, there was a waiter. Here is the drink you ordered for when you returned, he said, and set the tray on the table, deftly uncorked the bottle and left the room. It means waiter आया, उसने बॉटल रखी, उसकी कॉक को खोला और वो रूम छोड़ के चला गया. White faced Fowler stared after him. It means a Fowler घूर रहा है उसे. But he stammered, the police कहाँ है? There was no police. और Sybil sighed. Only Henry, whom I was expecting, जिसको मैं सोच रहा था. But wouldn't that man out on the balcony? क्या बालकनी में कोई आदमी नहीं है? Fowler ने कहा. No, और Sybil said, he wouldn't return. वो नहीं आएगा. You see, my friend, there is no balcony. कि यहाँ पे कोई बालकनी है ही नहीं. जहाँ पे मैक्स उतरा वहाँ पे कोई बालकनी है ही नहीं. It means he fell down from the 6th floor of the building. It means he died. This was written by Robert Arthur. It's an awesome story. Fabulous intelligence is showing here. So I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.